How to pay Macy's credit card online. What is up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily pay for Macy's credit card online. For that, you first need to head over to your web browser and then simply go ahead and search for Macy's credit card. Hit enter. Now you'll see the option for Macy's credit card, so go ahead and click on my account and credit card. Open this link up, and once you are here you should be prompted to log into your account. And once you are logged in by clicking on the sign in button, you should be able to see an option to pay for your credit card here. If not, you can just scroll down here, and here under Macy's credit card you have an option to pay your credit card bills. Just go ahead and click on this and you will be redirected to the page for your credit card and your bills, and you can sign up there or sign in with your account and simply pay your bills from there. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as well as turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest contents. And I'll see you guys on the next one.